I'm going to show you how to take a photo like this and turn it into a pattern like this so that you can make something like this. It's a lot easier than you think. I have the Sketchbook app. I have an Android. This is the app that works best with it. I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to open a new paper. And then I have to upload the photo into the Sketchbook app. So I saved the photo onto my phone. I just got it from Facebook. These are my two friends. I went to their wedding in October, grabbed this photo from her Facebook, and I uploaded it here into the Sketchbook app. The button I just pressed was the layers of your sketch. So you want to move a blank layer over the picture that you're going to sketch on. I just use the technical pen. You can adjust the size and how dark you want it. You can adjust the colors and all of that. I use this feature called Steady Stroke. I'm going to show you here. It just makes the pen glide a little smoother. You can adjust the how long. It kind of drags if you do it too long. So I usually just do around like 25 to 30. And then all I do is trace what I want to end up felting or stitching. So I'm just going to trace her whole entire outline. I'm going to trace her hair because I'm going to do the hair a different color. Whatever I'm going to do different colors or different patterns, I'm going to sketch out. So if I was to do a silhouette, you can literally just sketch the outline of her and then you can color it all in black. But here for the pattern, I'm going to do lines for her dress and her flowers and all of that. Because I am planning on felting this, I just do a very rough outline. I don't need it to be perfect because felting's not perfect. So I just need a general idea of where I'm going to put the different colors. When you originally upload the photo, you can adjust the size. And then once you start sketching, you can move it back and forth so you can see details of what you're doing. For her dress, I'm going to not just sketch the outline. I'm going to go up into the different folds of it so that I can create that look with the felt. So whenever you're creating a pattern, just think about how you're going to stitch it or felt it and draw that according to how you want to actually finish the product. So then when you're all done, I'm just doing her for now so I can show you, but when you're all done, you can go back to the layers button, which I'm doing here, and you can hide the bottom layer, which is the actual photo, so you can check on your outline and how it's coming along, and then you can always go back and click on the picture again so you can finish what you want to do. So then when you're done, you can save the sketch and it'll just save the outline that you did and then save it to your phone, and then that is it. You can print it out and use it as an embroidery pattern or a felting pattern.